Hey everyone, welcome to CardBreakHis.com. Today is April 27th. Actually, for the record, it's my brother's birthday today. Happy birthday, Jackie. Yep, that's his name. Today, we are breaking a 7-box NBA mixer that we sold on eBay. And here are the following teams and their owners for the day. Atlanta Hawks, Matthew J. Boston Celtics, Matthew J. Brooklyn Nets, Ben. Charlotte Hornets, Wesley H. Chicago Bulls, Matthew J. Cleveland Cavaliers, Andy B. Dallas Mavericks, Clayton W. Nuggets and the Pistons, Matthew J. Golden State Warriors, Davis H. Houston Rockets, Kyle S. Indiana Pacers, Davis H. LA Clippers, Jason I. LA Lakers, Thomas M. Memphis Grizzlies, Davis H. Miami Heat, Johnny S. Milwaukee Bucks, Johnny S. Minnesota Timberwolves, Davis H. New Orleans Pelicans, Ryan. New York Knicks, Johnny S. Oklahoma City Thunder, Matthew J. Orlando Magic, Davis H. Philadelphia 76ers, Patrick W. Phoenix Suns, D-Man. Portland Trailblazers, Ginger P. Sacramento Kings, Kyle S. San Antonio Spurs, Thomas M. Toronto Raptors, Johnny S. Utah Jazz, Jesse J. And Washington Wizards, Jason I. Any questions before I break? Of course not. As a bonus! First box, totally certified. This is totally on the house. This is box number 8. So you guys 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? This is number 8. We're on the house, y'all. Good luck. Yes, we do occasionally decide to just throw in random boxes. And today happened to be totally certified. No problem. When sales go back, or when sales go up, we give some back. Just like if you are hitless, we give you a couple packs in there, depending on how much you pay for your teams. So don't be shy about bidding. Alright, here we go. Totally certified. Pack number 1. Here we go. Jalen, Mitch McGarry. Andrew Wiggins, number 182 out of 279. You are welcome, PVT. Clear cloth for the Spurs, Danny Green. Yeah, Davis. 280 out of 299. Davis. It's just a little appreciation. CP3. Alright, next one, Greg Monroe. For the Utah Jazz, Rodney Hood. This is number 7 out of 49, Rodney Hood. Utah Jazz. Who has the Jazz? I haven't even looked yet. Let's go look again. Utah Jazz. Jesse J, congratulations. For the Minnesota Timberwolves, die cut, Glenn Robinson III. 48 out of 135. Glenn Robinson III. Up next, for the Cleveland Cavaliers. Oh, jersey card. Kyrie Irving. 139 out of 199. Kyrie. DeAndre. I could be feeling lucky if you're asking me. Thad, PJ Harrison, and then, oh, guess what? Andrew Wiggins again. Detroit Pistons, clear cloth, number 5 out of 199, Andre Drummond, and Brendan Knight. Next pack. Here we go. Scottie Pippen, blue Chris Bosh. Did I say blue? Red Chris Bosh. Sorry. James Harden. And for the Denver Nuggets, autograph, Gary Harris. Number 57 out of 249. Hello, CBK Joe. Rudy Gay. Okay. Can you bring in a trash can? I'm sorry. That is the On the House. What happened? Redemption of Kobe 1/1 pull from Select. Oh, that's good information. All right, what's next? Let's do Court Kings. Court Kings is a good idea. Court Kings. Okay, Court Kings. Here's the pack. Putting it down. Box topper first, as usual. I hate opening these freaking box toppers. Orlando Magic. Elfrid Payton for the Orlando Magic. Davis, you went to Orlando today? Yep. Orlando Magic. Alright, here we go. Court Kings. Oh. There you go. Alright, let's go one by one. Make it easy. Carmelo Anthony. Nicholas Batum. Royal Performance. Shaquille. For the Miami Heat. New Aesthetic. Shabazz Napier. Sacramento Kings. Number 49 out of 99. Nick Stauskas. Fresh paint. Autograph. Jusuf Nurkic. Number 235 out of 260. Jusuf. I give up. And for the LA Clippers, Performance Art, Blake Griffin. Number 58 out of 199. Rookie card, Adrian Payne. And we have a Dwayne Wade and a Isaiah Thomas. Alright, up next, let's go do the other certified. Let's get that out of the way. Let's get this certified out of the way too. 5 cards, 4 packs. Let's see some hits. Alright. MCW. Jusuf Nurkic. We got a blue, wow. Way off today. Red Adrian Payne. 112 out of 279. And then we have for the Cleveland Cavaliers. Let's see. Cleveland Cavaliers. Andy B. Matthew Dellavedova. Future Stars. Totally certified. This is number 2 out of 25. Dellavedova. 2 out of 25. Hey, pick up, please. There you go. Better. 2 out of 25. Matthew Dellavedova. I didn't say anything. Cleveland Cavaliers, Sean Marion. Alright, next pack. VC. Markel Brown. Boston Celtics. Jared Sullinger. And we have a die cut jersey. 76ers. Allen Iverson. 15 out of 25. This does not wow me though. But it's 15 out of 25. Andre Iguodala. Next one. Elgin Baylor. Red Kyrie Irving. For the Charlotte Hornets. Lance Stevenson. And for the Utah Jazz, 19 out of 25. Future Stars, Ian Clark, Utah Jazz. 19 out of 25. It's really not, my stream's not really picking up today. 19 out of 25, there you go. I think I found a solution. LeBron James. Last pack. Oh, boy. Davis. One of 10. Klay Thompson. 1 of 10. I don't know if you want to boom it, but it's boom! I did it for you anyways. Boom! Klay Thompson. You can sell it to any Warrior fans. Not me, though. And we got the fake gold of Blake Griffin. Certified Excellence. 164 out of 299. And a clear cloth of Russell Westbrook. 198 out of 299. Last but not least, Joe Williamson. Alright, next one. Let's go with, I want to do Prizm back-to-back. Sorry, guys. I have fun doing that. Let's do Paramount first. And then we'll save Gold Standard for last. Let's do Paramount first. Hey, the streak continues, Davis, actually. That's another gold. Oh, actually, no. It stopped on Friday. It didn't hit gold on Friday. Alright, here comes Paramount. One giant pack. One giant pack. Alright, here we go. Rookie card, LA Clippers. LA Lakers, Julius Randle. Randle. Jordan Adams, Memphis Grizzly. For the Boston Celtics. Rookie auto, penmanship. Number 44 out of 49, Marcus Smart. Nice autograph, Marcus Smart. Nice one, nice one. Very nice, solid. That is solid. And then we have PJ Hairston, number 38 out of 40, home and away. Why does it look the same color? God knows why. PJ Hairston, home and away. 38 out of 40. I guess they wear the same jerseys on the road. Oh my God. Milwaukee Bucks. Johnny S. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's a rookie hot pack, guys. Damian English, Milwaukee Bucks. 14 out of 99. Rookie hot pack, actually, for this one, I believe. Little tiny autograph. Use the whole damn space, bro. On card auto. Goodness gracious. Next one. For the Cleveland Cavaliers. Hint for the 3. 1 out of 5. Joe Harris for the 3. 1 out of 5. Boom. Out of 5. 1 out of 5. Boom! For the 3, guys. Nice auto. Joe Harris. Very nice. Nicholas Stauskas. Rookie card. These all gotta get sleeved up because it's expensive. Oh, it's not a rookie hot pack because there's a Magic and a James Harden. Alright. Let's do Gold Standard. I'm going super ass backwards today. I'm doing all the expensive stuff first because we've been hot with Prizm, man. We've been hot with Prizm. Was the Stauskas out of 25? You are right. I'm freaking sorry. 14 out of 25. My bad. Colorblind. Super colorblind. Sorry. You're right. Sorry, Davis. Thank you. Thanks for that catch. Alright, Gold Standard. Here we go. I should inspect all the cards from now on. Did I do it right? Oh, man. Backwards. There you go. Starting off, Detroit Pistons. Josh Smith, 20 out of 79. For the Miami Heat, James Ennis. Number 16 out of 199. Jersey auto. James Ennis. Up next for the Detroit Pistons. 8 out of 25. Dennis Rodman. The Worm. Dennis Rodman. For the Seattle Supersonics, a.k.a. Oklahoma City Thunder, Fred Brown. Marks of Gold. 184 out of 199. Fred Brown. And then we have 150 points to random off at the end of the break. For the Chicago Bulls, 171 out of 199. Doug McDermott. Chicago Bulls. And for the Bulls, once again, this guy got 6 championships. Or 6, no, 3. 82 out of 199. Bill Whittington. I never pronounce his name right. Luke Longley's replacement, off the bench. For the Golden State Warriors, Chris Mullin. Serge Ibaka. Last but not least, for the Brooklyn Nets, Darren Williams. Alright, let's do Prizm first. And since it's Prizm Hobby. Prizm Hobby. This is the tough part. All that base, all that base, all that base. Alright. Alright, here we go. Red, yellow. Michael Kidd-Gilchrist. Purple, Jordan Clarkson. Very nice. This is cool. 128 on 199. Jordan Clarkson. Blue-green, Dikembe Mutombo. Marcus Smart. All it takes is one card to redeem everything, doesn't it? Representatives, Scottie Pippen. Red, yellow, Zebo. And we have a blue of Russell Westbrook, Oklahoma City. Number 8 out of 99. 8 off his jersey number, except he is number 0. Mitch McGarry. Okay, red, yellow. Allen Houston. I love Allen Houston. Allen Houston was pretty good. Refractor, Boom Davis. Clay Anthony Early. Oop. Blue-green, Sam Perkins. Julius Randle. Rookie. SP Variation, Larry Bird. Purple, die cut, Boom Davis, 72 out of 139, Boom Davis. Blue-green, Dirk Nowitzki. Prizm, Elgin Baylor. Glenn Robinson III. Are they making me wait for this auto coming up? Red, yellow, Eddie Jones. SP variation or Hall of Fame, Pete Maravich, Andrew Wiggins. Blue-green, Dwight Howard. Fireworks, Damian Lillard, Portland Trailblazers. Alright, here we go. Come on. Bring on the heat. Let's go. Let's go. Red, yellow, Cody Zeller. What? Blue-green, Steven Adams. Last pack. And of course, last pack. For the Minnesota Timberwolves. It's the Timberwolves. Zach LaVine. Number 8 out of 449. Zach LaVine. Davis, Zach LaVine. There you go. Not bad. Not bad. Zach LaVine is not bad out of this. Alright, Prizm Jumbo time. Here we go, Jumbo! Jumbo time! What's LaVine's number again? Jersey number, Zach LaVine, somebody? It's not 8, is it? From what I remember, a single digit. It's not 0, is it? I don't think it's 0. Anyways, here we go. Pack number 1. Sarunas Marciulionis. James Worthy. John Rudis. Hall of Fame.
8.
It is 8. Hey, Davis, that's jersey number. One more time. Jersey number this time. 8 out of 449. One more time for you. Very nice, Davis. The jersey number card. We have an auto. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. We got a light blue first of Alex English. Boston Celtics. This is a Celtics hit. Vitor Farhani. There you go. There you go, Davis. You called it. Good old Vitor. And then Alex English. Oh man. Oh. Funny. Next pack. We got red. Diago Splitter. Red. 5 out of 25. Diago Splitter. Jerry West. Mahu Abu Rauf. New York Knicks representatives. Next pack. Is that gold? Is that gold? Double check. No, it's not gold. It's just the Prizm, the die cut. Tripping. Alright. Ralph Simpson. Die cut, Larry Bird. Paul George. SP variation. have another auto. Here we go. I see a giant hand for the Golden State Warriors. Nate Thurman. Hall of Famer, Nate Thurman. 38 out of 149. Nate Thurman. PJ Harrison. And here comes the next auto out of this. For the Dallas Mavericks. Monte Ellis. 94 out of 149. Montezing Ellis. Montezing. Dirk. Moses Malone. Die cut Dirk. Fireworks, Dwayne Wade. Montezing. I think he still wish he was a Warrior. J Kidd, SP Variation, Blake Griffin, Joe Harris. I think Monte finally realized that he doesn't have to go full speed all the time in order for him to be good. Alright, we have another auto. Fourth auto. Die cut first, Dame Lillard. Very nice. Let's stick with tradition. Let's go this way. For the Miami Heat, Shabazz Napier. 228 out of 249, Shabazz Napier. And Dame Lillard, like I said, die cut. And the rest of the pack. Alright. Next. Ooh, this pack opened a little weird. Alright, George Gervin. Derrick Rose, Austin Carr, Bruno Caboclo, base Alfred Payton. Alright, last pack, guys. Freshman Phenoms, Marcus Smart, Tim Hardaway, Jeff Teague, light blue, 3 out of 49, Jeff Teague. Representatives, James Harden. And that's it out of Prizm. Alright, last box, guys. NBA Select. The latest products. We got a red. We had a red of Tiago Splitter. Last box, guys. Don't forget to join us every Friday for Free Box Friday. Conrad will be back starting Wednesday. I will be signing out of the dungeon after today for a little bit until next week. Alright, NBA Select. Dante Exum. Red Nick Young. 33 out of 149. Nick Young. Davidson was a Tiago Splitter. Zach LaVine. Here, Davis. Tiago Splitter. Next pack. Oh, here we go. Let's get jumpy. Let's get jumpy. Ooh, look at that. Kobe Bryant. That is awesome. And then here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Timberwolves. Zach LaVine. Rookie swatches. What is up with you and these end numbers today? 199 out of 199. Rookie swatches. Zach LaVine. That is a nice Kobe, though. I have to admit, that looks really nice. That looks really nice. I say Wolves having an okay night. Anything that's not Wiggins isn't really like super crazy, but die cut Andrew Wiggins. Excuse me, Mr. Wiggins. Sorry for talking smack about you. 131 out of 199. I think you just made up like $40. Carmelo Anthony for the San Antonio Spurs. Tiago Splitter again? 185 out of 199. Tiago Splitter. Twice today. Twice. Melo and Sean Marion. Eric Bledsoe. James Young. Prizm, Gary Harris. Prizm, Carmelo Anthony. We have a blue. Serge Ibaka. Blue, 149 out of 249. Serge Ibaka. Prizm, Julius Randle. Team USA, Karl Malone and Kevin Durant. There's still 3 packs to go. Never know. Prizm, Zach LaVine, Tim Hardaway. That is also a Prizm. No tie-dye yet. Let's go with yet. We have a blue, purple looking thing. Team USA. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. This is just a crazy color. Detroit Pistons. Ben Wallace. Number 5 out of 99. Ben Wallace. Select swatches. Detroit Pistons. Congratulations. Moses Malone. 76ers. Kyle Korver. Last pack, guys. And we have a Sharif Abdul-Rahim, Memphis Grizzlies. Alright, that's it. That's going to do it for us here at CardBreakKids.com. Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to join us every Friday for Free Box Friday. Every spot that you enter into our breaks will be randomized to a free hobby box of any products that we choose. Thanks for coming, guys. Have a good evening.